Who or what do we love more? A man was polishing his new car. His 4-year-old daughter picked up a stone and scratched on the side of the car. In anger, the furious man took his child's hand, hit it many times, not realizing he was using a wrench. At the hospital, the child lost all his fingers due to multiple fractures. When the child saw her father, with painful eyes, he asked, "Dad, when will my fingers grow back?" The man was so hurt and speechless. He went back to the car and kicked it many times. Devastated by his own actions, sitting in front of the car, he looked at the scratches. His daughter had written, "Love you, Dad." Moral of the story is, anger and love have no limit. Always remember that things are to be used and people are to be loved. But the problem in today's world is that people are being used. Things are being loved.